Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss all the previous year questions on time and work and wages and types and systems which have come in past year CUET, PG, MBA papers. Let us first discuss the year-wise breakup. So in 2022 we had two papers, one question each. In 2021 we had one, in 2020 we had four, in 2019 we had two. If we add them up then we will get total 9 questions. Now before we proceed to questions, I would like you to invite to our Telegram group. So this link will be in the description. If you want to join, then you can join this group. The advantage that you will get the free PDFs. So this lecture PDF will be also there. Okay, so this is the question in 2022 12th September paper. A pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. So this is a typo. Because of a leak, it took 1/3 hours to fill the tank. The leak can drain all the water. So there is a pump, let's say P. This takes 2 hours. But there is a leak also. So if pump plus say leak is for L, okay, so pump plus leak takes 1/3, that is 7/3 hours. So what is the time taken by leak? So we are interested in knowing leak, right? Now in all such questions what we do is we take LCM for this to find total work and efficiency. Now let us quickly revise the thing. So what we do in time and work questions is we use a universal formula, that is total work equal to efficiency into time. Now what is efficiency? Efficiency is rate of work, right? How fast you can do the work. Now this is the only formula that you need for all the time and work questions, even pipes and systems as well. Now if we can rearrange this formula as efficiency equal to total work upon time taken. Yeah. Now if you notice here, we are dividing total work by time taken, right? So wouldn't it be advisable that our total work is a multiple of time taken? Because then I will get efficiency as integral values, right? Integral values. So what I mean to say is, let's say my total work is 60 units and my time taken is 5. Then if I divide this, now I will get my efficiency as 12, right? But let's say my total work is 60, but rather than 5, my efficiency is 7. So obviously I will not get integer. So my calculations would be slightly cumbersome, right? So my calculations would be longish. So it's better that we take time work as multiple of time taken, okay? And what is the best way to take multiple of anything? That is take LCM, right? Take LCM. So obviously if I take LCM of time taken as my total work, then obviously if I divide this, then I will get my efficiency as integral value. And this will help in solving the questions fast, right? Because we will not be dealing with fractions and all those things. So that's why take LCM of times, take LCM of time taken. Okay? So this is the reason why we will take LCM. Otherwise people only remember that, oh, we will take LCM of times. Okay? So now we can do this. So this is time and this is total work. If I take LCM of these two, then I will get total work here. So what is the LCM of 2 and 7/3? So 2 and 7/3. If you take LCM of this, now here you should know a formula, that is, let me stick to a new page. So LCM of two fractions, LCM of fractions. This is LCM of denominator. Okay, dr. I'm denoting denominator by dr, and HCF of, oh sorry, I think LCM of numerator. Sorry, LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator. Okay. So you want to find LCM of 2 and 7 by 3. Can I write 2 as 2 by 1? So LCM of numerator 2 and 7, that is 14, and HCF of denominator 1 and 3, that is 1, right? So I get 14. So 14 is my total work. So I can take 14 as my total work. This is my total work. Now by the formula, if I divide total work by time taken, then I'll get efficiency, right? So I will calculate efficiency of both P and P plus L. So 14 by 2, that is 7. 14 by 7 by 3, so that is 14 into 3 by 7, that would be 3 into 2, 6. Okay. So P is 7, P plus L is 6. So obviously from here can be said, if I subtract, what we do is P plus L minus P. So 6 minus 7. So from here this would cancel out. So can we say that leak efficiency is minus 1, right? And why are we getting negative efficiency? Because leak does not fill the tank, rather it empties the tank. That's why this is doing negative work, right? This is negative work because my main work is filling the tank. So this is negative work, hence negative efficiency. Okay. So there is a concept of negative work in time and work chapter, where all the work that you are doing in, let's say you want to build a wall, right? And if you break the wall, then that will be counted as negative work. Similarly, here we are trying to fill the tank, and if we are emptying the tank, then that is negative work. Okay. So in all the such cases, we will get a minus sign for efficiency. Now, what is the link? So the question asks me, the link can drain all the water in. So what is the time taken by leak? Obviously, that would be total work 14 by efficiency of leaks, that is 1. Here there is no need for minus 1. Okay. So from here we'll get 14 hours. So the answer is C, 14 hours. So I hope this is clear to you. Why we take LCM of time taken to find our total work and all those things that I have explained to you. Let's move on to the next question. This is from 2022 5th September paper, other slot. In what time would a cistern be filled by 3 pipes of diameter 2 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm? If the largest pipe alone can fill the cistern in 58 minutes, the amount of water flowing through each pipe being proportional to the square of its diameter. Okay. So we have three pipes with different diameters. So this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So obviously more water will flow here, right? So this will fill my cistern faster because there is more water flowing. Now this says that how much water is flowing through each pipe is directly proportional to square of diameter, and the square of diameter is given as 2, 3 and 4. So what is the square of this? 4, this is 9, and 4 square is 60. So this is the amount of water which is flowing through each of the pipes. Now largest pipe take 58 minutes. So largest pipe, this is this one, it takes 58 minutes. So what is the time taken by all of them together, right? In what time? Okay. So what we can do is, what is the capacity of tank? Capacity of tank would be 16 is the, you can say efficiency. So efficiency is 16, and what is the time taken? 58. So this is my capacity of tank, and what we want to find is when all three are open together. So what is the efficiency of all together? 4 plus 9, 13 plus 16, 29. So you will divide 16 into 58 by 29. This is 58. Let me write it clearly. So this is 50. So 16 into 58 by 29. Can cancel this by 2. So 16 into 32 minutes. So this is option C. So I hope this is clear to you. We found efficiency first by squaring all the three. Then it was given that 58 minutes was taken by the largest one. So total work would be 16 into 58, right? Efficiency into time. And at last we want to find what is the time taken by all of them together. So what is the total efficiency? 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is 29. So we will divide total work by efficiency, 16 into 58 by 29. So from here we'll get 32 minutes. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Let's move on to the third question. A alone does a work in 10 days while B alone does the same work in 15 days. How many days will they together do the same work? So we have 10 days, we have 15 days. Now we will take LCM. So LCM would be 30, right? So 2, 3. In how many days will they together do the work? So for together efficiency is 3 plus 2. So total work is 30. Total efficiency is 3 plus 2, 5. So we will get 30 by 5, 6 days. Okay. So option B. Let's move on to the next question, fourth question. This is from 2020 paper. A can do a work in 15 days, B in 20 days. If they work together for 4 days, then how much portion of work is it? Again, similar way. 15 days, 20 days. This is for A, this is for B. Take LCM. So this would be 60. Efficiency would be, you will divide 60 by 15, then you will get 4. 60 by 20 is 3, right? So what is the daily efficiency? 4 plus 3, 7. So 7 unit of work is being done daily. And they work together for 4 days. So in 4 days they will do, in 4 days 7 into 4, 28. So how much portion of work is left? So total work is 60. Let's say 60 unit of total work and 28 unit is done. So what is the left? 60 minus 28, that is 32 units. Okay. So what is the fraction? So fraction is 32 by 60. From 4, 15, 4, 8. So we will get 8 by 15. D option, right? So this is a very easy question. Once you take LCM, this becomes very easy one. A, B, and C can do a work in 20 days, 30 days, and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? So for A, again same method. B is 20, for B 30, C 60. Take the LCM. So 60 by 23, efficiency of A is 3, efficiency of B is 60 by 32, efficiency of C is 60 by 61, right? Now in how many days can A do the work? So the work is being done by A if he is assisted by B and C on every third day. So let's say we have day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. In day 1 only A does the work. In day 2 again only A do the work. But in third day he is assisted by B and C on every third day. So every third day, so third day, 6th day, 9th day, he will be working with B and C. So A plus B plus C. Okay, so all three will work on this. So now you can add the efficiency. So on this day, three unit of work will be done because A is working alone. On second day also 3 unit of work will be done. But on third day, all three will be working. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 unit of work will be done. Right, and this will be repeated and so on. So total unit of work in 3 days, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So 12 unit is done in 3 days, but we have to do 60 unit of work. So obviously 60 will be done in 3 into 5 days, right? So that would be 15 days. So our answer is B. So in 3 days you are doing 12 unit. So obviously in 1 day you will do 4 unit, right? So for 60 unit you will get 60 by 4, 15 days. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. Let's move on to the next question. This is from 2020 paper. A alone can do a work in 6 days while B in 8 days. A and B undertook to do it for rupees 3200 with the help of C. They completed it in 3 days. How much is to be paid to C? Okay, so this is work and wages problem. Work and wages. Now only one thing that you need to know here is that wages is the directly proportional to work done. Work done. So let's move on to the question. A does 6 days, B 8 days, and together with the help of C they completed in 3 days. So A plus B plus C is 3 days. Again same method, take LCM for total work. So what we can do is 24, right? You can take the largest number 8 and think of its multiple 8, 16, 24. So 24 is divisible by all three, right? So we will take 24 as LCM. So it's 24 by 6, 4. Efficiency of A is 4. 24 by 8, 3. So efficiency of B is 3. 24 by 3 is 8. So efficiency of A plus B plus C is 8. Now we know A, we know B. So what will we see? Obviously 8 minus 4 plus 3, right? Because this is for all 3. So 8 minus 7, 1. So we got all 3. A4. Efficiency of A is 4. B is 3. C is 1. Now with the help of C, they completed it in 3 days. So what will be the share of C? This is being asked. So share of B will be 1 by total. So 1 by 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8. 1 by 8th portion. So 1 by 8th of 3200. So 1 by 8 of 3200 will be 400. So 400 option B. So I hope this is clear to you. Wages is directly proportional to work done. So once we know the efficiency, obviously work will be also directly proportional to efficiency. That's why I have directly calculated the efficiency. Let's move on to the next question. This is again from 2020. 3 pipes are there, A, B and C. They can fill a tank in 6 hours. After working at it together for 2 hours, C is closed. And A and B can fill the remaining in 7 hours. The number of hours taken alone by C is. Okay. So A plus B plus C takes 6 hours. After working it together for 2 hours, C is closed. So all three worked for 2 hours. Now in 6 hours, if they can fill complete tank, so in 2 hours they will fill 1 by 3rd, right? So what is the left? Left is 1 minus 1 by 3. So that is 2 by 3rd of tank. So A plus B fill 2 by 3rd in 7 hours, right? So what will be the time taken for complete one? So that will be 7 into 3 by 2. So that will be 10.5, right? So the number of hours taken alone by C is. So this is for A plus B 10.5. Now what we can do is we can take LCM. So A plus B plus C is 6 hours. A plus B is 10.5. So let's go on to the next page. So A plus B plus C is 6. A plus, sorry, A or B? Yes. A plus B is 21 by 2. So if I know, from here, if I know the efficiency of these two, then I can subtract this portion, right? Then I will get C. So let's take LCM of these two. Again, same thing, numerator LCM and denominator HCF. So 1 and 2, denominator is 1, right? So denominator 1 and 2, HCF of 1 and 2 will be 1. For LCM 6 and 21, so what we can take? We can take 42, right? Now if I divide 42 by 6, then I will get 7 is my efficiency. And if I divide 42 by 21 by 2, so that would be 4, right? 42 by 21 by 2, so 2 will be multiplied. So this will be 4. So A plus B efficiency is 4. A plus B plus C is 7. So obviously C efficiency is 3, right? C efficiency is 3. Total work is 42. So time taken will be 42 by 3, that is 40. This is 40. C. So I hope this is clear to you. This is not hard question, but there are more steps here. Okay. So first you will have to look for A plus B, that how many hours they take. So they take 21 by 2 or 10.5. Then we can find efficiency of these two, and from here if I subtract, then I will get the efficiency of C. Once I know the efficiency of C, then this is a cakewalk. We can divide total work by efficiency and we will get the time taken. Okay, question number 8. A man and a boy together can do a digging in 40 days. Their digging skills are in the ratio 8:5. How many days will the boy take if he works alone? Now again, see, a skills is nothing but efficiency. Okay, so their efficiency ratio is given as 8:5. So what we can do is let's say man and boy 8:5. So we know the efficiency. Now we know the efficiency and we know the total time taken. So obviously we can find total work. They both work together. So man plus boy, 8 plus 5 into 14, 40. So that would be 13 into 40. That would be 522. 520. So 520 unit of total work. Total work. Now how many days will the boy take if he works alone? So for boy, obviously we have 5 efficiency, so we will divide this by 5. So 520 by 5. So if you divide, then you will get 104. So that will be B. So this is a very easy question. Efficiency is already given, and since they are working together, we can find total work. So 8 plus 5 into 40, and at last we can divide the total work by efficiency of the boy, and we will get the time. Okay, question number 9. A can do a work in 8 days. B can work 3 times faster than A, while C can work 5 times faster than. How many days will they take work together? So this is again an easy question. Work faster means their efficiency is more. So A is to B is to C. We can find the ratio of their efficiency. So let's say the efficiency of A is 1. So we can work 3 times faster. So obviously efficiency of B would be 1 into 3. While C works 5 times faster than A. So obviously this would be 1 into 5. So C will be 5. How many days will they take working together? So the question is, A can do a work in 8 days. So total work would be efficiency of A is known 1. Total time is known 8. So 1 into 8. So that would be 8. So 8 unit of total work. Okay. And now they work together. Now they all work together. So what is the total efficiency? Total efficiency would be 1 plus 3 plus 5. That would be 9. So therefore time taken would be total work 8. Okay, let me write the formula. What is the time? This is nothing but work by efficiency, right? So total work is 8 unit. And what is the total efficiency of all working together? That is 9. So 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 days. So that is option C. Okay. So this again was very easy. Okay, so we have discussed all the questions. So we discussed total 9 questions. And almost all of them were easy except one or two questions. So I hope those were understandable to you. And now let's meet in a new video where we discuss more such questions. So I've already covered most of the chapters. There is percentage video, there is profit loss video, there is, I think, SICI video, simple interest compound interest. So if you've not watched this video, then you can go to the channel and you can watch the video. Okay, there is a separate playlist as well. You can also provide the feedback for improvements. Okay, so let's meet in some other videos. Thank you.